Hi, I'm Dave Stover. I'm with CFmafia, and this is lesson 3, establishing the stimulus. I chose workout number 2 to try to diagram out the timing of today. That is 5 rounds for time, 15 thrusters, 95 pounds for women, 135 for men is the prescribed weights, 15 toes to bar, followed by 75 double unders. The way I calculated all of this, I determined that the stimulus should be at about 21 minutes, with the really fast athletes maybe at 16 and a half minutes, on the slower end 25. That's my range that I'm looking at. The way that I got to that is I really looked at the thrusters being the variable, the movement that will degrade the most over the 5 rounds at this moderate weight. So in round 1, I determined that that thruster should take 5 seconds, but that the athlete should be able to do 5 reps at a time, with about 10 seconds rest in between. So if they hold that, that's about 1:30 to do the 15 thrusters. Then toes to bar, an efficient toes to bar athlete will do those in about 30 seconds in the first round. And then the double unders, about 1:15 is my estimation. That puts that first round at 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Then I took it to the extreme and round 5 and what would happen with those 3 movements. What I've determined is that that 5-second thruster will stay. The thruster itself will not slow down, but they'll break it up into 5 sets now of 3 reps each, with the same 10 seconds of rest, puts that at a 2-minute and 15-second interval. The toes to bar, I'm figuring that those are going to slow down a little bit and be broken up some, but I've got those benched out at 1 minute. And then the double unders, again, that time degrading just a little bit in round 5 to 1:45. So I'm looking at round 5, the slowest round being 5 minutes. So range 3:15 on the fast end, 5 minutes on the slow end, gets me to these numbers, where I then estimated on round 2, everything combined would slow down to about 3:45, round 3, 4:15, and round 4, 4:45. Just trying to assume that time degradation is going to be about even through all 5 rounds, that there's not going to be one that just slows down a lot more than the other. So that's my calculation for 5 rounds for time, 15 thrusters, 15 toes to bar, and 75 double unders. Thanks.